Hi friends, how are you? After long back, I'm making this video to review this Braun beard trimmer. Actually, this is a wonderful trimmer. So I bought this last week, and then I opened the box and then I tried it. But for you guys, I wanna review this trimmer. So you'll see that the performance and the facilities it has, right? So I'm gonna open a box now. You can see it's a beautiful trimmer. See the structure, everything. See, it's a standard one from Braun. Okay, so it has free gift also. See, if you see here, Gillette Fusion. See Pro Weed. So you can buy from the market separately. They are giving this free as a gift, right? Yeah, we'll go for it. We'll open it. Yes, from here. And I'll tell you guys shape. Okay, right. It has many things inside. Got the chargers, covers. So this is the user manual. If you want to read it really, you can read it. But say if you are a regular user, you have trimmers, so it doesn't need. It has one switch only, so you need to operate it and to short your beard, and then even hair also you can cut it from here, right? Let's see here. So this is the box, right? Mention everything. It has several works, means see the beard trimmer, even hair trimmer also you can make it. There's adjustment also. So 11 to 12, so 11 to 20, and then 1 to 10. So without these caps, you can make 0. More than 0.5, right? Yeah. So see here. So I'll keep it aside. Open this first. So here down, they keep the free gifts here only. So it's come down from the box to the charger of the trimmer. Right. Yeah. The normal charger. It's not power charger, it's normal charger. I told this is the free gift, Fusion Pro Glide. See, they gave a free one blade, so you can buy from the market. Yeah, if you want to use it, you can use it. So see, the adjustment, it's really cool. This is the metal one. Metal, right? This is metal. Beautiful, right? Good structure. Yeah. So this is a free gift, guys, from Braun. I'll keep it as it is. So I'll use it after. And then we'll have a trimmer here. Yeah. Wow. You can see. You can see it right here. See the sharp plates. You have to charge it before you use, at least 45 minutes. They mention on the box you need to charge it like 45 to 60 minutes to use it proper. You can use 1 hour, like 60 minutes. They recommend that. Actually, this is fully washable. You can wash. You can use this trimmer while you bath, while you body wash. See. normal sound. It's really cool. The handle, when you catch this trimmer, it's see, comfort, right? You can see it in my hand. It's comfort really. There are adjustments, the cap. See, they mentioned here, yeah, this is 1 to 10. And see the adjustment here also. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah, 8, 9, 10. When you use this cap, the small cap, you can go for 1 to 10. I don't know if you can see this or not. You guys, you can see that, right? You guys, I think you can see shining, right? Yeah, now you can see that. 1 to 10. Check it. See the adjustments here. This is the cover. Body is the plastic, not rubber. The switch is rubber. Premium look. This is 1 to 10 sizes. This is 10 to 20. This is bigger than that cap. You can cut your hair. You can trim your hair. No. If you really want to cut your hair, you can. There are adjustments. See, you can go till 20. It's going bigger and bigger. Yourself, you can cut your hair. You can design your beard as well. To remove this cap, you need to push here. There are, see, you can see the point here, right? So just push it. From here, just you have to push it. Just make it, see. This is new, so it takes time to used to it. So I think you need to make it to 1 to remove this cap. I think yes, correct. So while you're using a 20, you cannot remove the cap. It's really hard. It will break. If you push hardly, it will break your head here. So make it 1. Easy. You can see the edge here is very thin. You can cut your beard corners. The itself, what they call, yeah, I saw the price they mentioned. They said this is a self-sharpening blade. Yeah, I'm looking for the. Yep, here. If you see here, lifetime lasting sharp blades for previous trimming. And then I saw somewhere it's a self-sharpening blade. I told, right? This is the waterproof, so while you take wash, you can use your trimmer. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. The videos are coming up. Thank you guys, thank you. If you really enjoy, just subscribe my channel and then press the like button and then press the bell button. receive my videos continuously. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.